Today, we will be testing a price action indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a price action indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 583 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator with the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator, and a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a price action indicator. And so the source video says double your profit with the most accurate price action buy sell signal indicator on TradingView. Quite a mouthful. Source video title is pretty straightforward. I guess it's kind of hard to judge what someone means when they say double your profit. Obviously, you would have to have a baseline of profit, and I would venture to say that some people are profitable and some people are not profitable. Some people have that are profitable have different levels of profit, and so doubling your profit is kind of a shallow claim. Again, one that's just kind of vague and hard to really get your head around. But nonetheless, we will put this indicator to the test and see what kind of gains we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just hide the indicator we have on screen. And the indicator we will be testing is the price action index. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And the setup on this is pretty easy. Everything stays on the default settings. Basically, we have an oscillating line. It's going from kind of the outer or upper extreme to the lower extreme, and then it's coming down into the middle. When it drops down into the middle and starts giving these kind of purplish background coloration like this here, that is supposedly when price is in a ranging market. And so there's a few different ways you could attempt to use this indicator, but the one that kind of caught my eye was when price is in this middle zone giving a purple background, and then you pick up a tag, either bullish or bearish tag. And these bullish and bearish tags are identifying divergence within the market itself. Once price has started to range supposedly within this middle section, then we pick up a divergence. That would be our indication to then enter into a trade. And so, for example, for a bearish trade example, what we have is the price trading within this middle zone giving us a purple background. Then we pick up a red bearish tag like this here. And then what we're looking for is the purple background to end, and then we end up with just a red line like this here. If the line breaks to the upside and it's green, that invalidates the trade setup. But what we are looking for is it to break to the downside and give us a red line. And that would be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see price makes this really sharp push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we have is price, or the oscillator I should say, pulling into the middle zone here, giving us a purple background coloration. Then we pick up a green bull tag within that area as it is consolidating here in the middle. Then we're looking for the oscillating line to break to the upside with a green coloration like it does right here, and the purple background ends. That will be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here. Again, we're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And this one takes just a little bit longer. We kind of push up, some hesitation, then make a really nice spike to the upside, getting us to that take profit. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one, so you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades we got 22 winning trades and 28 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 44% win rate. And so with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $13,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $11,200. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $2,000. So double your profits, I guess. Maybe if you are only making $1,000 worth of profits to begin with. That is an accurate statement. $2,000 isn't horrible. It's also not super great, but all in all, this indicator did rather well for a standalone indicator. During the same period of time, we did right at 61 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the higher time frame fractal candle indicator, and we had right at a 75% win rate, and that would put our total gain right around $21,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags, as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on a yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.